Everybody, Sandy here. We're going to do a mystery painting is what I like to call it, because you never know how it's going to turn out. But I was given a little bit of a recommendation or a hint to say, hey, if you did a sexy video you might get more subscribers. So I figured, what the hell, let's try and do a sexy video. So I'm going to take off my apron and show you my sexy. I'm sure if my kids are watching right now, they'll be like, what are you doing, Mom? Try not to wreck anything. There we go. There's my sexy. Even got it on the back. Okay, that's what I'm going to paint in tonight. Let me put my glove bag on and just tell you a little bit of what I'm going to do. This one's called a dip technique, and I actually have sky blue on this canvas ready to go. The lighting in here is horrible tonight. You probably can't even really see that it's sky blue, but I have it ready to go on the canvas. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a torch, and then I'm going to put some painting down on this tablecloth, plastic tablecloth I have in front of me. And again, I didn't tie my hair, but this time I shouldn't have to be too worried about dipping, because I'm going to be dipping the canvas, not my hair. That's the plan. You got to make sure you make comments and let me know what you think about my sexy outfit for painting. See if it gets me some more subscribers. You never know, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, pick a couple colors to spray on my canvas here anywhere I want, which as I move these bottles, you'll start seeing what I'm doing. And again, it's just called a mystery painting. It's just an abstract, fun painting to do. It'll be a quick video, I'm sure. Although the longer I stay on, the more people will see my sexiness. And hit the subscribe button. Now I only have a little bit of purple left here, so I'm just going to grab a couple of corners that I wanted on, just to show a little bit of the purple, hopefully. To buy myself some more purple. And I'm just overlaying colors on top of each other, making a puddly mess, as you can start seeing it. But that's all good. That's what we want. I'm even putting some metallic down as well, which this is the peacock metallic. I found out that it's one of my favorite ones on top of the tropical blue that I have. Love these colors. Okay, this one's the navy. Which again, because of the lighting in here, you're probably not going to be able to see the coloring very well. I apologize. I will show the painting in the next video dry, so you can get a good look if you keep watching. Alright, almost done. Just wanted to get some pinks and purples in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my rose gold as well, which is very pretty with the regular gold I have in there. Okay, that is officially all the colors that I want down there. Looks like a lot of paint, but really it's maybe a couple of dollars worth of paint, because it's mixed with glue and water as well as the paint, so it's not as much as you think. Now I'm going to take this canvas that I've pre-painted, I'm going to flip it upside down and put it right into my paint area. Let it sit for a minute, and I'm going to grab just one of my scrapers to just kind of hold the canvas a little bit still and press some of the paint down. Trying not to move the canvas too much. Oh, I saw some of the paint splurt out there at the end. It's always a good sign that it's spreading nicely. I can probably almost get 2 paintings with as much paint as I have down here, but for now we'll just stick with the one. Let's lift that canvas up and see how much of a gorgeous painting we have. 1, 2, 3, lift. Voila. Abstract art done in a matter of a couple of minutes. Now I'm just going to turn it and put the torch on it as well, because we could very well have some very good cell action happening. Get the bubbles out. Oh, this is gorgeous. The golds that I put in there are really coming out nicely. Now I say this is gorgeous to all my paintings pretty much, but this one really is gorgeous. Let me put a couple of new gloves on because I got paint all over those ones, and I'll just quickly lift it up for you so you can take a look. Hopefully it'll show nicely when I lift it. Okay. I'll turn it, put it closer to the camera. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? And that took all of what, about 10 minutes at the most? Even with all my sexiness? Alrighty. Thanks for joining me, everyone.